Namaste. Happy World Bicycle Day. If we observe our lifestyle, life cycle, it starts with the cycle in our childhood. And after getting the job, we'll be buying a bike or car. We'll be shifting our transportation from bicycle to a bike or car. After driving for certain years, after getting some diseases, then we on doctor's advice again we will go back to cycling. So if you observe the health benefits of cycling, it is very useful because we are consuming our internal energy. We are not depending on the external energy such as fossil fuels. Here we have only two options. One is walking and the other one is cycling to consume internal energy while transportation. So we should always use these two modes of transport whenever possible. Wherever possible, we should go for these two so that we will be consuming our internal energy, internal accumulated energy, that is burning calories, which is very essential to maintain our BMI, to maintain our good health. These are the benefits of cycling. One more important thing, if you observe, is most of the people they use their car or bike to reach the office, burning fossil fuels and polluting the environment, and even these fossil fuels are scarce in nature, and they are going to deplete within few years. For example, coal is getting depleted in 100 years and oil will deplete in 47 years or around 50 years if we follow the same consumption pattern. That is the kind of environment impact we will be doing while using our cars or bikes. The mode of transportation is not economically friendly, ecologically and economically feasible or viable. So we should clearly understand that if we switch from that mode of transportation to cycle, usage of cycle, if you uh, if you support or if you implement, then automatically we will be contributing to the environment, we will be reducing the pollution levels, we will be conserving fossil fuels or natural resources also. That is point number one. And the health benefits. I have already told that it is a type of exercise. Many people do that in gyms. Cycling is done basically in gyms, but it should be on road so that you will be replacing this as a healthy substitute of transportation. Healthy and eco-friendly substitute of transportation will be our cycling. The third important thing is the safety aspect. I always say environment, health and safety, all three are integrated. Here also it is the same. The hazards or the likelihood of accidents and its impact will be very less compared to very less in case of cycle when compared to motorbikes or cars. So it is the safest mode of transportation, we can say, apart from your walking. If you are not able to go on foot, then at least you should opt for cycling instead of choosing those high speed vehicles. As far as safety is concerned, it is very useful. It is very safe compared to the other modes of transportation. Unless there is a time constraint, you should always prefer these two modes, that is walking or cycling. Flexibility. If we see, the cycle is very less weight and we can maneuver it very easily with more and more flexibility and agility. and it is very easy to handle, very easy to tackle with, very easy to maintain, very easy to repair in case of any problems, because it is not so complex compared to the other type of vehicles. It is very simple as far as the design is concerned or engineering is concerned. Everybody understands that, and anybody can do the repair small issues if they are creeping in. It occupies very less space for parking. Parking the vehicle has become a Herculean task nowadays, especially in cities, in metropolitan cities, etc. And even the most important advantage it has is very cost effective. The cost of investment to buy the cycle and maintenance, everything is less. Operating cost or the cost of capital investment is also very less, and because of that we have sufficient money to spend on other important issues like growth, sustainable growth or sustainable development. That is how it also can contribute to the sustainable development, such as we can use that money saved from here on education or any other development activities. So it contributes to the environment, it contributes to the health, it contributes to our safety, our wealth, as well as the sustainability, sustainable development of the world in totality. Thank you.